Okay, so the correction of listening to your heart sounds. Okay, with the diaphragm, you would first want to find one. So here, it would be aortic, pulmonic, herbs, tricuspid, and mitral. And this is also where you would get um, your apical pulse, and you would check your apical pulse for 1 full minute. Also, to listen to bruits, you use the bell and go in the same areas. Aortic, pulmonic, herbs, tricuspid, and mitral.